posted really late, like guys, because I was really tired and I was not feeling that good, and also I wasn't like feeling to the mood. I was really sick, and also why didn't I post it to videos? Because I didn't have any ideas. I didn't know what game I should. They're all happy. They should probably add a bigger down just like the shield so it won't break forever. Oh, it's like invincible. Yeah, they should probably add that. The thing I'm happy about is these walk around things. Okay. What do I do? Let's try craft stuff. I don't got nothing to do right now, so let's try to craft stuff. What the hell is this? New book slime. Every minute slime then makes you richer than gold. Then it must be really good. So let's bring back to house. And I cannot stream because I just put my mom my computer to an empty room. So there's now like a computer inside of this place. So if I scream, I will make a loud noise. This is a sacrifice. Main sacrifice. Go over there. New bugs clone. I got new bugs. I got new bugs clone. It's new bugs inside of the clone. Wait, it said it's slime. You gotta make a private corral for this one, or else it's gonna eat slime in my corral, in my ranch. It eats slime, so I have to make a corral. Or else it will eat my slime. Okay, this is your private place. It doesn't like to eat material slime, so we gotta hunt for normal slimes. That's not rich. I thought that was gonna be $2 million. What the hell just happened? You have to be. You have to be. Okay, sorry. If you heard stuff, don't mind it. I don't know what to do. People give me suggestions what I'm supposed to